Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy settings from one FX3 to another Sony FX3 camera. So let's just jump into it. So first of all, make sure that you put the card on the camera, and I hope that you know how to put the card in the camera, and then go to full menus and scroll down till you see shooting, and in shooting go to media, format, card slot, and then execute formatted. Now, after you're done with formatting the card, let me just show you what you need to do next. So what I'll do is I'll go to menus. Sorry, my focus. Yeah. So I'll go to menus. I'll go down till I go in setup. In setup, I will go to save settings option, reset save. And then here I will go on save and load. And I will click on save in media, yes. And then I'll say save new. I can name it whatever I want to, but I'm okay with this. You can rename if you want to. I don't want to waste your time now. I'll go on save. It's complete now. Now the same thing about loading on other camera. Basically you'll put the card in the other camera. I'll bring the other camera now. So the other camera, you'll put the card on, and then okay, I'll go to menu. I'll go again on the same place, go to load, and I will do load from media. This is the one which I created, and I'll say okay. So now whatever the settings you did on that FX3 will come on this, and the camera will reboot. There you go. Now one more thing which you should make sure about is, like, whenever you have 2 or 3 or 4 cameras, you change the real name on them. You can load all the settings, but real name you need to set by yourself. So if this camera was A, the other camera should be set to camera B and C and D, so you don't have the same clip and card numbers in the edit. And I have done many other helpful videos about Sony FX3. If you want to see them, they are popping here. You can click on them and watch them. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.